This is my flow hive. It's the first hive that I ever got. It worked okay. I like the flow hive, but it's not for me. I don't think I'll ever get another one simply because it's not very good at keeping out hive beetles the way it's designed. I live next to the woods, and since then, this is like my second or third year with bees. Since then, I've upgraded to a long laying hive, a horizontal hive that I built myself so I could design the entrances to be more hive beetle resistant. But yeah, here's some video clips of my first year of beekeeping. Don't be too hard on me. But yeah, here you go. Enjoy, everyone. Well, the honeybees came today. The bad thing is, tonight's supposed to be one of the coldest nights this week. I think it's supposed to get down in the 40s. I guess we'll put them in their house, see how they do. Hopefully they survive. Not sure what I can do in this short amount of time. It's already pretty late. It's past 7 o'clock. Look at this. I was about to open it, pull it out of the box. There's one little guy hanging on to the side, on the outside there. See him? Well, let's see if we can't open this up and put him in with the rest of them. Let's see, I should probably take out 3 or 4 frames. He wants to be in there with everybody else. Let's see if we can't get him in there. Alright, we're in. My gloves. Come on, everyone. Should have just opened up the whole side. This is kind of a pain in the ass. Come on, everyone. Get down there. There we go. Yeah, everybody's not happy. I know. That one's not happy with me, I can tell. Hey guys. Going into a new home. It's fine. Alright. Glued it. Alright, here's little Miss Queenie. She's kind of covered up right now, but I gotta pull that cork out and then stick her little box in between some of these frames and she'll come out eventually. So we're gonna do that. Everybody's getting something to eat. They found the food apparently. This one's got some raw honey that I just happen to have in the cabinet in it. And this other one's just sugar and water. Just regular processed sugar. Can't see it very well, but there are some going in and out of there. It's just dark. Everybody's really active. This one is regular honey that I had in the cabinet mixed with water, and this other one here is regular processed sugar with water. There are some going in and out of the honey one, you just can't see them because it's so dark right now. But yeah, it started slow, there was just a few eaten, and then word got out, I guess, and everybody just started swarming, literally. Put a rubber snake on the top of it, trying to keep these birds away that might come and try and eat them. Alright, so I'm out here checking my bees, and I checked their little crumb tray at the bottom of their hive. I was looking. There's just all kinds of little shell-like pieces, and it's only been about a week, 2 weeks. All kinds of little bits that look like maybe wax pieces, and then the yellow bits, is that honey or poop or what is that? Can somebody tell me what the heck those are? Yeah, I've been checking on my bees in their little crumb tray here at the bottom of their hive, and there's little white flakes. I'm assuming that might be bits of wax. And then there's yellow pieces. Is that like pollen that's fallen through, or is it honey, or what? I'm not sure. If anyone's got any answers, please feel free to comment and tell me. And don't forget, jump over to twitch.com or download the app and go follow or subscribe Frat Wannabe. He is one of my buddies, and we're trying to help him grow his channel. That'd be great. Here are his subscriber follower goals. We've met goal number 1 already. He's gotten his head shaved on stream. Now we're trying to get him to shave his beard, eventually his eyebrows, and eventually a live chest waxing on stream for meeting his goals. So go over there, help us out, help us shave this man.